In this video, we are going to learn second question from exercise 1.1. It's a textbook exercise on pages 11, 12 and 13. So the second function is given 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 5 raised to 5 upon 2. And now let's find its derivative with respect to x. So let's consider here y equals to the given function 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 5 raised to 5 upon 2. And now we will find a derivative of y with respect to x. As we know, x raised to n is the function, then its derivative is nx raised to n minus 1. If the function is x raised to n, then the derivative of function x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. And we are going to apply the same rule in the given function. So n का position यहाँ पे 5 upon 2 ने लिया है. Let's write here 5 upon 2 into the bracket raised to 5 upon 2 minus 1. So this is n and this is n minus 1. And under the bracket, we will write all the terms present in the function as it is. 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 5. And then into derivative of the given function. So I'm going to write here, the next step I will write here a derivative of the given function 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 5. Always we write, whenever we are going to find a derivative of the given function, we apply a rule, and if the basic function is present, then we also find the derivative of the basic function along with the regular given function. Now the next step is, now we are on the step 5 upon 2 into the function raised to 5 upon 2 minus 1 into the derivative of the given basic function with respect to x. Now let's solve this further. As 5 upon 2 we will write as it is, and the function also 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3x raised to 4 by 3 minus 5 raised to 5 upon 2 minus 1 is 5 upon 2 minus 1 is 3 by 2. So let's write the subtraction of 5 upon 2 minus 1, that is 3 by 2. I have mentioned here into derivative of individual derivative of these three terms. So derivative of 2x raised to 3 by 2 with respect to x minus derivative of 3x raised to 4 by 3 with respect to x minus derivative of 5 with respect to x. This is 5, which is constant. And now in the next step, we are going to find the derivatives. So 5 upon 2 and the function as it is, we have written the first term into, let's find these three terms derivatives individually. So 2 is a constant with variable, so we will write it separately. And into, let's find the derivative of x raised to 3 by 2. Again, we will use the rule x raised to n here. 3 by 2 is at the position of n. So let's write 3 by 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1. Minus 3 is a constant. Okay, this is the whole one term. Minus, I will write here derivative of 3x raised to 4 by 3. As 3 is constant, we will write it as it is. And then 4 by 3 is at the position of n. So let's write 4 by 3 into x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 1. 4 upon 3 minus 1. This is the derivative of second, and minus, as the third number is a constant number, and we know the derivative of constant is always 0, so we will write here 0. Up to that step, we have found all the derivatives. Now the part is about the simplification. So let's go for simplify. 2x raised to 3 by 2 minus 3x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 5 raised to 3 by 2. We have written this step as it is into. So let's find out the answer of this. 2 will get cancelled, and therefore 3 x raised to, as we know 3 by 2 minus 1 is half, so let's write here 1 by 2, and this is the second term. In the third term, with minus sign, I will write here 3 will get cancelled, and this is 4 x raised to, as we know 4 upon 3 minus 1 is 1 upon 3, so let's write 1 upon 3 minus 0. 0 is 0, it doesn't affect on the answer. And now in the next last step we will write equals to, let's write the values, actual values, 5 upon 2, 2x raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3 x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 5 raised to 3 by 2 into, you know, x raised to half means it's root of x, so we can write 3 root x minus 4 x raised to 1 upon 3 means cube root of x, so we will write it's a cube root of x. I'm writing here third root of x, and माइनस 0 का यहाँ पे लिखना नहीं है, आपको लिखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं, which is equals to the final answer. So this is dy by dx.